Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Forensic Lady or My Dear Forensic Lady, chapter 50. So, here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Dr. Lin. Right now, she's trying to investigate. Since she have many connections, you can ask someone to find things. This young lady, 3 months ago, she came here at 4 o'clock every day to pick up the bottle with me and left at 6 o'clock. I only talk to her occasionally. We'll talk about where to pick up more bottles, but she hasn't been here for 2 months. The little kid said to her. It seems that this little kid is homeless and her living is picking up bottles on the street. But right now, Dr. Lin suddenly paused. Probably she was thinking, if the timing is perfect and if this little kid is saying truth. Dr. Lin suddenly said to her, thanks. Well, probably the little kid will feel relief right now. Because Dr. Lin, she really won't bother her. But right now, on the last brink, Dr. Lin, she was looking at the ice. Now, she really left the kid. Looking at the kid, she was standing alone on the street. She put the bag down that she carries all along. But what's gonna happen next? Turns out Dr. Lin is being generous. Right now, she left a kid a lot of things, especially money. Even though Dr. Lin is really strict, she was really too kind, always dedicated to her work, especially right now. She was still sick, but she chose to help solve the case and find the answer on herself. Dr. Lin, we must say, is kind of the girl who always want to work alone. But it's not really proper when she was a police officer. Back to Dr. Lin, right now she's on the green building and she was walking slowly there. It was the crime scene. But if there's possible, you want to investigate on what's really happening. If there's a faulty or something else that's been hidden, well, let's see then. If she really can see proper evidence to help the case solve the problem. Suddenly, when she was walking upstairs, she said to herself, why is it a little bit cold right now? Well, probably it was really windy. But when she looked back, suddenly screaming, she released her baton. Could it be that there's someone person there? Dr. Lin said to her, who is it? Now, she was really screaming. On the other hand, there's a person trying to dodge, but looking at it, her hand still got hit by the police baton. Oh, it must really hurt. It seems that it was really a girl. But who could it be? It turns out it was Officer Song this time. He said to her, it's me. Oh, again, the situation. It always like this. Officer Song, she really get hurt again. Because of Dr. Lin. Now, they always end like this. After seeing her, Dr. Lin rashly take back the baton. And Officer Lin, she was holding it. Looking at her hands, it was really turning red. Oh, it was really painful. Dr. Lin said to her, yo, well, what a greeting, right? Although right now, she was laughing. Yo, Song team, why do you always love to stand behind people? It's not upright at all. No, she was really coughing. Although Officer Song said, it's you who are too worried. Well, she was right. She always been alerted. That's why right now, she really get hidden up when someone's behind her. Officer Song said, what are you doing here? Don't get me wrong. This is the disease has nothing to do with me. Well, Dr. Lin trying to say to her. Well, of course. But right now, Dr. Lin said, I just think that it's just a suspicious death. So I'm going to the scenes of the crime in person. Does anyone knows if it is matter? Officer Song said to Dr. Lin. Well, right now. And she knows that Dr. Lin will really not stoppable. Suddenly, Officer Song said, after all, forensically, Her power is really a fast. Well, Officer Lin, she was really right. She is always curious. How can always Dr. Lin always pull a trigger like this? Especially right now. She's been on the hospital but suddenly she escaped from them and right now she was on the scene. Dr. Lin said, what and why Officer Song suddenly? It is not bad to hers. Right now, hearing this, Officer Song suddenly stopped. She looked back at her and said to her, I remember you seems to be discharged from the hospital tomorrow. Well, she was right. Maybe she knows that she really escaped from the hospital. She got an idea that she will go here today. That's why Officer Song followed hers. Kim Song's face was really frightened, picked it up and ran to the hospital. The doctor said I'm always okay. Lying down is a waste of medical resource. Don't grab a bed with a critical ill patient. Don't play tricks with the things happen again and again, not over and over again. For any reasons. Well, right now, she's been too kind to the others. Dr. Lin, she is really kind but also, she is also a trickiest person Officer Song met in his life, right? Well, we can really put the blame on hers, especially she was always kind to the others. But right now, of course, she's been tricky. Dr. Lin said it's better not to do it again in my hands. Kim Song is really righteous and awe-inspiring. Oh, right now, she really wanted to trick her, right? That's why she said so many things, so she can annoy Officer Song. If so, why don't you call me? You can push me down from these positions. Now, I don't know if Ding Song is really a genius. Oh, right now, she continued to provoke her. Can Officer Song really let her slide like this? Of course, right now, Lin said to her, or she just missed me. She's trying to tease her so much, so Officer Song will be annoyed to her again. This guy, Officer Song said, well, it seems that Officer Song also wanted to tease her. I don't know if Dr. Lin noticed. Ask me some questions beyond my colleague's relationship. Officer Song, she was really too gossip. She wants to know things. So, right now, hearing this, of course, Dr. Lin has no words to say. Well, she really caught in the act. That's why she really can't speak and said, answer her. And this really interesting. Now, the two of them are really fair to each other. Well, let's see on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you. Bye.